Hey everyone, in this video we will look at how we extract the second field from a datetime field in Power BI. So for example, your datetime field was captured on maybe the 45th second of the minute. So how do we capture that 45th second? So let's start. I've got some log data here with me and I'll just show you that log data. And you can see that over here it's giving me the hour, minute and second. So we'll just learn if we wanted to capture the second, how would we go about doing it. So let's just go on here and create a new column and I'll just call it second of log date. And then I'll just say second, and then we'll just say log date time and just close this out and hit enter. And you can see, if you look at this is the 44th second, this is the 12th second, this is the 29th second. So it's just getting us the seconds. And this could probably, if you want to do an analytics to see what during what second of a minute something happens, maybe one of the use cases. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.